In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align left in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your content sit neatly against the left edge of any cell, which can instantly improve readability and consistency across your worksheet. Left alignment simply means the text or numbers in a cell are anchored to the left border of that cell. Excel uses different default alignments for different data types, so text often starts out left aligned, while numbers may be right aligned. If you're preparing a clean report, a form, or a table where you want everything to line up the same way, setting a left alignment keeps things uniform and easy to scan. First, highlight the cell you want to format. If you're working with just a single cell, click it once to select it. If you want to apply the same look to a range, click and drag across multiple cells, or use Shift-click to extend your selection from the first cell to the last. You can also select entire rows or columns by clicking their headers, which is an efficient way to keep formatting consistent for all entries in that area. If you need to pick non-adjacent cells, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each cell you want. The key is that the cells you want to format must be highlighted before you apply the alignment. With your cell selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Alignment group, look for the Align Left button. Its icon shows horizontal lines pushed to the left edge. Click that button once. Instantly, the contents of your selected cells will snap to the left side. This change is purely visual. It doesn't alter the values, formulas, or how calculations work. It just changes how the information looks on the screen and when printed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're aligning a header row, consider selecting the entire row first so all headings share the same alignment. If you're formatting a whole column of entries, clicking the column letter before pressing Align Left ensures every current and future entry in that column follows the same style. And if a cell had indents applied earlier, left alignment places content at the left edge relative to that indent setting. Finally, if you ever want a different look, the Center and Align Right options sit in the same spot on the ribbon, so you can switch with a single click. That's all it takes. Highlight the cell, then click Align Left. Simple, fast, and clean.